I have rosacea and I also have some dark spots, which you can see there. Used to be a lot darker than it is right now, but I was super self-conscious about it. So I started looking up options to help me with my dark spots as well as rosacea, which was especially right throughout here, which led me on my journey to find vitamin C, a vitamin C serum. And what I found out about the vitamin C serum is that it helps with the dark spots. It helps with the anti-inflammation. It's an anti-inflammatory, so it helps reduce my redness right throughout here. As added bonuses, it also helps with my fine lines and wrinkles. If I had any acne scars, it would help to kind of soften those up a little bit. It also boosts my collagen, which is going to help with the firmness and tightness of my skin so it's not so elastic and saggy. And then just overall helps with the brightness of my face. So that was how I found vitamin C serum, and that's why I use it. On the downside, as soon as I got it, I thought it was going to be this miracle product, and I just slathered it all over my face. Don't do that. Please, please, please don't do that, and I'll tell you why. Vitamin C, for many people, will burn really badly, especially right here. Now, it's not anything that you can necessarily see, but man, when I tell you that you can feel it, for real, like it's a lot. Just want to make sure my mic was on. I wasn't talking to myself. It brings tears to your eyes and it burns for a long time. So if you have that, take a cool compress, start pressing it on there. So what I did is I ordered a vitamin C serum. I felt it burning. I sent it back. I ordered another one, same thing, went back and forth a few times before I realized there's got to be a user error here, right? Which I found out there was when I talked to one of my friends. And what she pointed out is that vitamin C, kind of like think orange juice, it's very acidic. And so you don't want to get it near this area around your eyes. This is the thinnest part of your skin right here. That's often why when you're applying your eye makeup, you do so with your ring finger because that's where you apply the least amount of pressure as you put it on over you. So I'm going to show you what I do in order to apply this. And if you have been using vitamin C and noticing the burning, I would wait at least a week to kind of give your skin a chance to heal, maybe a little bit longer before you start incorporating vitamin C serum back into your daily activities. So this is the eye cream that I've used. I've used it for a long time. They changed their packaging quite a bit, but I've always found it's pretty good. The only downside is a lot comes out. Like you don't need that much, but whatever. That's what I've got. So take it. And I like a thick layer, so I'm not going to rub it in too much. And then you have to let it dry. So it's really important to kind of let that part dry just to make it have the barrier that you need. I'll also mention that the only thing that I did this morning was cleanse my face. So I have nothing else on my face other than this eye cream. So once it's absorbed in, and I'm going to speed it up a little bit. Normally I would brush my teeth in between to give it a chance to really absorb, but you don't want to watch me brush my teeth. So take my vitamin C serum. This one happens to have hyaluronic acid. I've used this line quite a bit. They've got several, but it comes in a little dropper. And just take, you don't even really need that much. So I didn't even use that full thing. I don't know if you can see. Maybe a little bit bigger than a pea, maybe a chickpea. Take it, and then I'm rubbing it on my face because I want to get those fine lines and wrinkles, but I'm steering clear of this portion. Now, if any got on there, my eye cream should be acting as a barrier. I know that's clicking noises, but I put it on my neck, I put it on my decolletage right here, and then let that absorb in. After everything has absorbed in, you want to wait at least a minute between adding all your lotions and potions, otherwise nothing absorbs. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add on my lactic acid. I'm going to add on my moisturizer, which has 30 SPF in it. I'm going to continue on with my day. So if you notice burning with your vitamin C, slow down, create a barrier, let it absorb, then start adding it back in. You can also decrease the potency of your vitamin C as well, work your way up, or let your dermatologist know, obviously, and make sure that that's the right product for you for whatever skincare issues that you might be having. But good luck.